So welcome back to the channel. It's been a while I didn't upload any video. That's a good timing to update you with the most recent project. As you can see in the background, this is summer here. It's unusual. It's April 14, 2023. It's very unusual weather. It's going to be above 70 Fahrenheit. Still warm tonight, and it's going to be the same for Saturday and Sunday. So I took advantage to complete a smaller project I was waiting for, and this is the pool. So I started the pool a few days ago, and like 4 or 5 days ago there was still a good chunk of ice in it, and now it's reached the point of 77 Fahrenheit, which is good, and that's while using what we call the beast in the background. So I show you the update on the project. So to begin with, the beast, it's been heating for not even 24 hours up to now. So I had this elbow with that valve installed last fall. So this one goes for the house, which I closed, and this one goes to the pool. So this is actually 1-inch pipe, a PEX pipe. I had an extra piping on the ground to thread the pipes into it, and that's pretty much it on this side. So my goal is also to add a third pump that is going to link the in and out to recirculate always the glycol, and I'm going to control the pump in order to control the temperature in the pool. So it's going to be a link into a device that is going to be linked to a temperature controller. So as you can see, it's now 170 Fahrenheit and coming back at 155 Fahrenheit. So there's a good gap in between. So I was told heating a pool is taking a lot of energy, and that's right. It's even more than heating the house with minus double-digit Fahrenheit or Celsius. It's taking a lot of wood to heat that, but got enough. So there's almost 65 feet in between. And to begin with, again with that pipe that goes from under. So we see at the bottom the two pipes, red pipe coming out into the corrugated drain pipe coming into the pool house. So they come inside, and note to that heat exchanger. This one is a titanium heat exchanger capable of 360,000 BTUs. It's quite good for the size of pool we have. Carinator is on, so we're in business. So that was a quick update of my current projects. I did other projects not related to my channel, so that's why I didn't publish anything in a while. You see in the background where I haven't bucked the wood, neither split. It's going to be the next project. Might not be this weekend because the weekend is going to be very nice. I want to take advantage of that nice weather in April. It's going to come back to cool weather, so that's going to be a good time for bucking wood. And then you see the nice sunset in the background. So Dave, I know that in Arvida it's still freezing cold, so I'm sorry for you, but you're welcome anytime here in the pool. See you on the next time. It's almost 80 Fahrenheit, but not yet.